Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Coal India. Our analyst maintains buy rating on the stock with an unchanged price target of Rs 560. Growth in coal volume offtake of around 7-8% in the next few years with increase in power demand will drive the earning growth of the company. The stock is also trading at an attractive dividend yield of 6%. Next, we have an update on State Bank of India. Our analyst maintains buy rating on SBI with a price target of Rs 1050. The bank is reasonably confident to deliver 15% loan growth and ROE of 16 to 18% in the near to medium term. The bank is well positioned to manage sectorial headwinds given surplus liquidity and comfortable LDR at 75%, while the overall impact on margins would not be significant if the rate cut cycle starts, as it has levers to restrict the impact. At the current market price, the stock currently trades at 1.1 times FY26 and 0.9 times FY27 estimated core book value. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 12 months.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.